Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Hyundai Sonata, guys, generation year 2009 to year 2015, and if you're trying to find where the fuse for the radio or navigation is, stay with us. There is actually up to 5 fuses. Some of those are hidden, hard to test. Stay with us and we'll explain about that as we go. Before we start, let me tell you guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools, replacement fuses for a really good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, let me tell you guys what's the plan. The plan is to make at least 200 electrical and diagnostic videos on this Hyundai Sonata, and videos will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be making more than 300 videos, guys, mechanical videos, taking the engine apart, the whole interior, exterior apart, and show you how to fix anything on our main YouTube channel that's called How to Repair, guys. Please check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, and we have helped more than 100 million people on this channel, guys. We have information that will probably save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's say the radio, or if you have navigation, doesn't work on your Hyundai Sonata. What you need to do, open the hood. Once you open the hood, this is the fuse box that we need to locate. What you need to do here, guys, pretty simple. You have one tab here, one here. Squish, pull up, okay, and remove that cap. Great. Next, we need to get our fuse puller because we'll need it. Get that fuse puller from here. Perfect. And we're going inside. Let us show you now. Okay. Some of the fuses are inside, some of them are hidden. So we'll explain about that as we go. Let's go ahead. Okay. Get inside the vehicle and show you. Okay, what we need to do now. We need to. Okay, I'm talking about the radio. Okay, or if you have navigation, it will work as well. You need to come right here, okay, and open that fuse lid, fuse cap. Perfect, just like that. What do we have specifically here, guys? Okay, we need to find the first fuse. It's known as audio fuse, which is the #1 fuse that usually goes bad. And if you come this way, okay, you can see that fuse right here. Okay, that's the fuse that we need to check, that 15 amp fuse on the bottom. Now let us explain how you actually pull that thing out. I'll grab, pull it out, and I will show you guys, okay, what needs to be done. Perfect. Now that comes out with the whole assembly. So what you need to do, grab the fuse assembly, pull out a little bit, then push with your fingers right here and squish it out. Okay, squish in and pull it out. Now this is the fuse, 15 amp fuse for the audio, guys. That fuse, most of the times you can tell if it's burnt or not. In some cases you cannot, and what I will do, I'll put a link to a video that explains how to test a fuse and know if it's good or bad for sure, guys, because sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, you put it in actually, and you put your bad fuse in, you keep spending money, time to fix your car, and all you have to do just replace a fuse. So always test it or replace it. If you need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, we'll share the link in the description of the video below as well, so please check it out. Now with that being said, I'm going to go insert this one. Then we need to find, guys, we have actually 2 more fuses that we need to check here, okay, in this fuse box assembly. So if you come to the very top now, okay, let me just focus quick a little bit so you can see better. If you come to the very top, when you come to the 4th row from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, that 10 amp fuse could be bad as well. So check it out as well. That 10 amp fuse is very important. And another fuse that's for the radio, guys. Okay, you need to come this way, and you're going to come to the 2nd row from right to left. The 2nd fuse up to down, up to bottom. Okay, top to bottom, right here. That 7.5 amp fuse. Check this one as well. It could be bad as well. And if you need to pull one of those out, okay, you can simply just get the fuse puller, okay, and I'll show you. You just grab the fuse, okay, and pull it out. Check it out now. It takes only a second. You get it on top of the fuse, pull it out, and you replace it if you need to. Now we have 2 more fuses that we need to check that could be for the radio and navigation system as well, and they're outside the vehicle. Okay, let me close this thing here now. We don't need it anymore. Perfect. I'm going outside and we need to check, guys, fuse known as B3 plus is the first fuse that we need to check. So I'll just put the fuse spool, we don't need it now. Okay, great. If you come right here, let us show you that big mega fuse that we have, okay, right here. Okay, that big mega fuse that we have right here, guys, consists of 8 fuses. The one that we are looking at is the second fuse. That's a 60 amp fuse. That's a B3 plus fuse. Check this one out. Usually you can tell if it's burnt, okay, through the glass. If not, you have to remove it and test it, and we'll have a video how to do that. Another thing, check the other one is B plus 4. This is the second fuse from left to right. Okay, this one was right to left, this is left to right, and it's 60 amp fuse again. So check this one out as well. Those are the 5 fuses. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.